guys, this is Umesh from Multispot, and today we are going to unbox the 2016 flagship killer phone, that is OnePlus Two. The best thing about this phone is it offers the best available hardware in the market currently at the lowest price. So without any further ado, let's get started with unboxing and let's see what they have packed inside the box. So there is no much written on the box over here, only the information about the phone, its capacity and price. So let's start with the unboxing here. So there is this written OnePlus Two never settle. Let's take out the phone and see what is there in the box. This looks good. Let's keep it aside and let's see what we have got in the box. I must say the packing is very nice, and there are a bunch of manuals. Those are also very well packed. This is USB Type-C cable. This is actually reversible USB Type-C, and at the other end it has USB 2.0 normal USB that goes inside your PC, and it has OnePlus logo over it. Then there is adapter, a very good looking adapter, red and white combination. It looks good. So that's it. There is nothing more in the box. So let's take a look at the phone. It does feel premium with this aluminum case. And the back, Sandstone Back, really feels durable. The buttons feels nice. Okay, let's take a look by removing the back. What is inside? So there is no removable battery, only we have access to dual SIM card slot that can be easily removed. I think it works with 2 nano SIMs here. And it has screen protector over the front, so you don't need to buy one extra screen protector. So this is all about the unboxing. I'll use it for a while and I'll come up with a review, in-depth review of each and everything. So stay tuned for the reviews and please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or doubts, please write me in the comment section below. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.